Hey guys, today I'll be changing out the DRLs on my M2 competition. I'm going to put some yellow ones on. So yeah, let's do it. So all we'll need for this one, guys, is a T20 Torx and the modules themselves. So it's pretty much a straight swap. Shouldn't take any longer than 2 minutes. So I'm going to use the T20 and take out these 3 screws here. Alright, and then the module should just pull straight off. And then you'll have to disconnect these harnesses inside. So there's a tab there which you'll have to press down and that will come down. And it'll be the same thing on that side. So I'll do that off camera real quick. So that's what it looks like once it's off. Then it's pretty much a straight swap for the yellow module. So we'll put that one in, wire it up, and then screw it back down at those same 3 positions, and that should be it. So I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. Alright guys, we're all done. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, nice. There you have it guys. Cheers.